Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have a place to start. Open Roblox Studio and load your game. Create a screen GUI and a main frame inside Starter GUI, then add buttons for play, settings, and exit so you can iterate quickly. Once done, move reusable assets, images, sounds, fonts into replicated storage for clean references. Make a module script called menu config containing sizes, colors, and button labels so you avoid magic values later. This structure speeds development and keeps behavior predictable as you code interactions. Start by adding a local script under the screen GUI to handle clicks and keyboard shortcuts. This keeps input client-side and responsive. Use tween service to animate the frame and button states for polish, and import constants from menu config to maintain consistent timings and colors. Connect play to a remote event that tells the server to teleport the player. Connect settings to an overlay toggle. Make sure to debounce button presses and check player accessibility or GUI, enabled flags before triggering transitions. Finish by wiring final transitions. Hide the menu after play, save preferences when settings closes, and play a confirmation sound. Test in both local play and start server with multiple clients to confirm remote events and teleportation behave correctly. If something breaks, inspect the output for nil references, confirm replicated storage paths, and ensure module script returns the expected table. One key tip: if animations or interactions fail, temporarily disable tweens and isolate the local script to pinpoint the exact failing call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.